Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's take a look at a few unconventional Christmas trees. Now, the theme of this video is floral Christmas trees. I just happened to stumble down this rabbit hole on Pinterest. I didn't even know this was a thing. But I am now absolutely obsessed. I think they are beautiful. I think there is so much variety that you can do if you are planning on making a floral Christmas tree. Whether you choose to go with faux flowers or natural flowers, all depends on really what you plan to do with it. If you have a beautiful Christmas event going on, definitely go with the real flowers, the natural flowers. It will really create a show-stopping tree for you. The downside, of course, is that it will only last a few days. And if this is going to be just part of your season-long Christmas decor, definitely go with the faux florals here. I love the fact that you could do a traditional green tree, a white tree, a black tree, a multicolored tree, and just stick all these beautiful florals in different colors, or if you want to do a theme with one color. So I just wanted to bring this to you today. I hope that you all are not tired of the Christmas content because it is early and we have so much to go. I definitely hope that you enjoy this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.